friends, welcome back to another clean and decorate with me video. Today we are going to be cleaning the living room and decorating. Ellie's down here licking my leg. And decorating for the 4th of July. I usually try to get this decor up before Memorial Day so that we can enjoy it for a little bit longer. But as you know, we were on vacation to Disney World, so I didn't get to that. But we are doing it today. We got back, let's see, today is Saturday. We got back Tuesday. So I've just been trying to play catch up and get things done that I haven't been able to do. But first of all, you kind of can see a little bit of the mess. I mean, you can see like my bins right there, and this living room is a disaster. There are toys everywhere. You have like the pack and play out here. There's blankets on the floor, pillows everywhere. There's a random car seat, like you can't see it, but it's sitting there. Yeah, so I need to tidy up and then we will get to cleaning.
Come all you young rounders, and a story I'll tell.
These windows get so disgusting. The kids will climb up on the top of the couch and just rub their sticky hands, their face, everything all over them, and it drives me insane. Like even the very top windows are gross. I cannot keep these things clean.
Promise of heaven and the warning of hell. But take heed where you ramble.
Something that I'm trying to make a new habit of is vacuuming the couches whenever I clean the living room. Right now I'm just using a baking soda mixture to put on the couches and the floor, and I'm gonna let that sit for a while I dust everything.
Too soon you will go way up on the hillside where the new flowers grow.
What do you guys like to watch or listen to while you clean? Right now I just put on a YouTube channel called Ambient Worlds, and it was an Encanto video, so that's what I listened to while I was cleaning. But let me know down below what you like to watch or listen to. Right now I am vacuuming the couches. Just like I said, I just used the pet brush attachment that's on my vacuum to get everything. Now that we have Ellie, she likes to lay on the couches and she does shed a little bit. So that is why I'm trying to make a new habit out of doing this regularly. But I already do the baking soda mixture on the floor, but I just thought that this would help keep the couches smelling fresh.
Well, they met in the springtime, the sun sinking low, two star-crossed lovers.
Now we are on to the decorating portion of the video. I slowed this down for you just so you were able to see everything really clearly, but let me know if you would prefer it sped up like I do the cleaning portion. And I would call my decor style classic with a little bit of Americana splashed in. You can see I'm putting some baseballs in my dough bowl. I think that's really cute. It's classic American. It's, our first sport, so I just thought it was really fitting. I found an Etsy seller that makes a miniature mason jar with a handle, and she made it look like a glass of Coca-Cola, and she put a cherry in it, and I think maybe a little flag, and the bottle says cherry Coke. So I ordered that and I'm excited for it to come in. I think I'm going to put that on my tiered tray.
In the still melting snow, where the loving was easy and the courting was brief, there they called her a beauty called him a thief. In the quiet of the evening, they'd steal away where the laughter would flow and the fiddle would play. Well, the folks called it wrong, but hell, it seemed alright in the sun-painted picture, and the day turned to night. Come up on.
I really wanted to use some books with these shelves, so I went over to Mickey's book collection and I pulled the ones that had a red spine, and I just turned them around just so you could see a little bit of the red, because I didn't like the titles, or maybe the titles were in a different color or something, but I thought that was really cute, and that's just an idea. It was completely free. I just went into my house and found something that I could use.
On the hillside, we'll have a time. If you'll bring the kisses, honey, I'll bring the wine. And keep your heart guarded, or too soon it'll fall. When one walks back home, honey, only one knows it all. Well, she walked up the hillside alone one day, and the heart is a hunter, always knows of its prey.
This wreath had a few strands from the burlap hanging down that were just kind of driving me nuts, so I just grabbed my scissors and clipped them off.
And her father's old pistol hanging loose by her side. When she aimed,
I found this cutie doormat at Hobby Lobby. I think they had it last year, but I didn't snag it, so I made sure I did this year and just put that out front. I think I'm going to do the entryway table in a patriotic Disney theme, so it kind of ties everything in. But now we're on to the kitchen tiered tray. I have found that once I get kind of the big base items down, it is much easier for me to go in and fill. But if I just try to like make everything fit where I think it should go, it doesn't really work out that way. I hope that makes sense. But that's my tip. Just find like the bigger items that you want to use, put those on there, and then start going in with smaller and smaller items, and then your filler items.
once, she never shot twice. Well, the air was so.
Right now I am just showing you some highlights of the decor, but that is it for this video. I am mostly done decorating. I do need to go grab our front door wreath from our storage shed. I forgot to get that. And like I mentioned before, I'm still waiting on some items to come in from Etsy that I ordered to do our entryway in a patriotic Disney theme, and that little Coca-Cola bottle also. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.